Hello children, good morning to all of you, and we are studying data handling chapter. In the previous class we have studied how to find mean and median. Today we are going to solve the questions based on mode. So see children, what is the mode? On the last term, though I have told you the formula, mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. That is called empirical formula for mode. Okay, but children, if simply some observations have been given to you, just like here, only some data is given to you, in this case, we can find the mode without formula also. See here, first we will arrange these numbers in ascending order. If you arrange these numbers in ascending order, since see here, first there is 5, after that 7, 8, again 8, 2 times 8 is there, after that 9, 3 times, after 9 there is 11, and then 12 and 16. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means all these numbers have been arranged in ascending order. When you arrange the numbers in ascending order, then the model is that observation, model or mode of this data is that number which have the maximum frequency. That means the number which is coming maximum times, that will be the mode. 5 is 1 times, 7 is 1 times, 8 is 2 times, 9 is 3 times, 11, 12 and 16 are 1 times. So you are watching that 9 has the maximum frequency. Are you watching? 9 is 3 times here. Here we are watching that 9 is coming the maximum times. Okay, so 9 will be the mode because 9 has the maximum frequency. If simply some data has been given to you, then arrange those numbers in ascending order and check which number has the maximum frequency. Means which number is coming maximum times. That will be the mode. Only this you have to do. Understood? But if the question is in this form, see here, if the question is in this form, then how will you find the mode? Now here we will use the empirical formula. And to use the empirical formula, you have to find mean and median both. Since you have to find mean and median both, so you will make the 4 columns. See here, the first column is size of shoe, which is the observation. Second column is frequency, which is the number of pairs sold. This is the second column. Third column, to find the mean we need frequency into observation, and to find the median we need cumulative frequency. That means these 4 columns we have to make to find the mode. Okay, now one more important point. You can see that the observations are not in ascending order, but when you will solve, it must be in ascending order. It is a very important point, children. See here, total the size of shoes are 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So 1 to 11 I have written in ascending order. Now write the frequency. Frequency of 1 is 3. Frequency of 2 is 5. Frequency of 3 is 1. 4 frequency is 2. 5 frequency is 8. 6 frequency is 2, 7 frequency is 4, 8 frequency is 3, 9 frequency is 5, 10 frequency is also 5, and 11 frequency is 2. This is given in your question which you have arranged. Now in the last column you will write total here. We know that the total of the frequency is denoted by sigma f, and this column, this total is denoted by sigma fx. Okay, so now complete this column. 1 into 3 is 3. 2 into 5 is 10, because we are going to make f into x, product of frequency and observation. 3 into 1 is 3. 4 into 2 is 8. 5 into 8 is 40. 6 into 2, 12. 7 into 4, 28. 8 into 3, 24. 9 into 5, 45. 10 into 5, 50. 11 into 2, 22. We will make this column and we will complete it. Now see what is the cumulative frequency. That is the sum of the frequencies. See, first column is 3. Second is 3 plus 5. That is 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. 21 plus 4, 25. 25 plus 3, 28. 28 plus 5, 33. 33 and 5, 38. 38 plus 2, 40. Okay, now our column is complete. Now add all these frequencies. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 1, 9, 2, 11, 8, 19, 2, 21, 4, 25, 3, 28, 5, 33, 5, 38, 2, 40. Sigma f is coming 40. Now what will be sigma fx? Add all these numbers. 3, 3, 6, 8, 14. 14 and 10, 24. 4, 28. 28 and 5, 33 to 35. 3 carry on. 3 to 5, 5, 10. 14 to 16 to 18, 1, 19. 1, 20 and 4, 24. Okay. After doing this, we will find mean and median both. Then after we will find mode. Okay. So first find out mean. We know that mean is equal to sigma fx upon sigma f. Sigma fx is 245 and sigma f is 40. Now divide and get your answer. We know that 46 are 240. Then 5 is the remainder. By taking decimal we can increase 0. See this one. 40 is dividing 245. So first 6 times 5. By putting decimal we can increase 0. Again increasing 0. 42 is 80. Then 45. That means 6.125. Mean of this observation table is 6.125. Now how to find median? To find the median, we watch the last term of the cumulative frequency. That is actually equal to the sigma f. That means you should know that this sigma f is actually known as n, number of observations. You are watching, this is 40. 40 means even number. If it is even, then what will be the formula for median? 1 by 2 into n by 2 term plus n by 2 plus 1 term. Okay. Now 1 by 2 into 40 by 2 is 20 term plus 20 plus 1. This is 21st term. Okay. Now in our cumulative frequency we will see where is 20 and 21st term. To see that, you can see that in your cumulative frequency after 19 there is 21. That means after 19, 20 and 21 both the terms are here. And what we see in front of this? In front of this we see the observation. In front of 21 the observation is 6. Say here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At the 6 number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 6 is 20th observation also and 21th also. So 1 by 2 into 6 plus 6, that means 12 by 2, that is 6. The median is 6 here. Always remember this 20 and 21 will not be added. If you write 20 plus 21 is 41 and then you divide by 20, then your question will be wrong. Your solution will be wrong. 20th term you have to write, which you will see from the cumulative frequency, and that will be the observation. 20th term are these observations. Okay? Now after getting median, apply the empirical formula for mode. Mode is equal to 3 times median minus 2 times mean. Now put the value and calculate it. 3 into 6 minus 2.6125. 3 into 6 is 18 and this one is 2 into 5 10. 2 2 is 4 1 5. 2 1 is 2. 2 6 is 12. 12.25. Now subtract and get your answer. 5.75. That means mode of this is 5.75. So children, by using the empirical formula, you will get mode 5.75. But if you want to find the mode directly, like here, if you want to find the mode directly, then you will see that which observation have the maximum frequency. Say here, the maximum frequency is 8. Are you watching? If maximum frequency is 8, that means the model size is 5. Suppose I ask you what is the model shoe size. So directly you can write model shoe size is equal to 8. Because, model shoe size is 5. Why? Because 5 size has the maximum frequency. But if we use empirical formula, then we will follow this method and you are watching our answer is changed. So in examination, if you are asked to use empirical formula, then follow this method. Otherwise, directly by watching the table, you can see which observation has the maximum frequency. So you will write model size is that observation. Understood? Okay children, now see the question number 3. Here this data is given and you have to find mean, median and using empirical formula calculate its mode. That means this data chart has been given to you. Children, without using empirical formula, if you have to find mode, then you will see which observation has the maximum frequency. Are you watching? This above column is called observation, this below one is the frequency. So you are watching that maximum frequency is 9. Since maximum frequency is 9, so mode of this observation is 6. Because 6 has the maximum frequency. That answer you will give directly. Since 6 has the maximum frequency 9, therefore mode is equal to 6. But if you have to use empirical formula, then first you will find mean, then median, and then you will apply the empirical formula for finding mode. How you will do? See here. I have made this column to save the time. When this data is given, there are 2 columns. You will make 4 columns in your solution. First column will be for observation, second will be for frequency, third will be product of frequency and observation, and the fourth one will be cumulative frequency. And very important point, your observations must be in ascending order. See here it is not given in ascending order. This is 7, 1, 10, 2, 8, 6 and so on. But when you solve the solution, when you do the solution, your observations must be in ascending order. 1, its frequency is 0. See here. 1, its frequency is 0. Then 2, its frequency is also 0. So 2, its frequency is 0. 3, observation frequency is 1. 3, observation frequency is 1. In this way you will arrange. After doing this, find fx. 1 into 0, 0. 2 into 0, 0. 3 into 1, 3. 4 into 6, 24. 5 into 4, 20. 6 into 9, 54. 7 into 7, 49. 8 into 1, 8. 9 into 5, 45. 10 into 2, 20. You have completed the column f into x. Now complete cumulative frequency. First term is 0. 0 plus 0. Second term is also 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 9, 20. 20 plus 7, 27. 27 plus 8, 28. 28 plus 5, 33. 33 plus 2, 35. Your cumulative frequency column is also complete. Now we have to find addition of number of students. 1 plus 6, 7, 4, 11, 9, 27 plus 1, 28 to 35. See children, the sum of the frequency must be equal to the last term of cumulative frequency, because this is also actually the total of the frequency. If both are not same, it means you have done some calculation wrong. So be careful at this point. Now add these also. 3, 4, 7, 7, 4, 11, 11, 9, 20, 28, 5, 33. 3, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2, 5, 5, 4, 9, 9, 4, 13, 5, 18, 2, 22. 223 is the sigma fx. Now find mean. In your question it is given find mean and median. Find mean and median. Either it is given or not. If you are going to use empirical formula for finding mode, then definitely you have to find mean and median both. Though in this question it is given, but if it is not given, then also you have to find. If you want to find mode. Okay? So see what is the formula for mean? Sigma fx upon sigma f. Means 223 upon 35. Now divide it. 3 7 ja 21 means 6 times we will take. 6 5 30 and then 10. Okay? By putting decimal there is 0. Again 3 times. Again 0. Then 7 times. Again 0. You are watching that these will not be exactly divisible. In this case, write your number till 2 digit, because the third digit is 1, so you can leave that. In the round figure it is coming 6.37. Okay? Now what is the median? To find the median, you are watching that n is equal to 35. 35 is odd number. Then what will be the median? N plus 1 upon 2 term. This is the formula. 35 plus 1, 36 by 2 means 18th term. In your cumulative frequency, you will see where is the 18th term coming. So see here, after 11, 20 is there. You have to understand, after 11, 20 is written, it means 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. All these terms are here. That means in front of 20, you will see the observation. This is the 18th term. That means 6. Is this clear everyone? 18th term is 6 because after 11, 20 is there. So 12 term you have to take. That will also be 6. 13 will also be 6. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. All these terms will be 6. So mode median is 6. Now what will be the mode? Since mode is equal to 3 times median minus 2 times mean, So 3 into 6 minus 2 into 6.37. That means 18 minus 2 into 7, 14. 2, 3, 6, 1, 7. 2 into 6, 12. Now by subtracting it, 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 7 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5.26 is the mode of this data. Understood? Now the last topic of this chapter is column graph. See, I have written one question. How to draw it on column graph? See here. Children, to solve this one, you have to use your graph paper. On the graph paper, draw one horizontal line which is called x-axis, one vertical line which is called y-axis. On the y-axis, we always denote the frequency. Here frequency is number of students. On the x-axis, we always denote the observation. Here observation is mode of travel. This point is called origin. After this, children, you have to suppose the scale, because in your graph paper you see the boxes 1, 2, 3, 4. See, I am taking the small box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on. Similarly on the y-axis also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and so on. On your graph paper you see the boxes, a very small boxes, and when 10 boxes are included, one big box is you can see there. Children, if you measure those boxes, then 1 centimeter is the length and breadth. So those are the square boxes. Understood? The square boxes are made on the graph paper. So when you plot mode of travel, then first box you have to leave. The second box we will take the mode of first traveling, that is the car. Suppose this second box is denoting to car. Third box again you can leave. The fourth box you have to take bus. Suppose the fourth box is representing the mode of traveling bus. Again leave one box. Next box will denote to scooter. Again by leaving one box, next one will be bicycle. Leaving one more box, that will be now rickshaw. On the x-axis, the observations are denoted in this way. Be sure that between two observations there is a gap. It should be little gap. For easily it can be seen, that is why I am saying leave one box. Understood? So that easily you can see all the observations. Now on the y-axis, since these are the numbers, we have to take some scale. So that you will write at the top of your this graph paper. Scale you are writing for y-axis. Scale for y-axis. See here 6, 15, 10, 18 and 11. So suppose that one box is representing one student. That means 1 centimeter is equal to 1 student. Okay. The suitable scale you can choose. That totally depends on you. You can take 1 centimeter is equal to 2 students also. That depends on you what type of scale you are using. Only it should be easily denoted on the graph. Suppose I have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 2. That means from 0, the first box will denote 2, second box will 4, third will be 6, fourth will be 8, fifth will be 10, then 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and so on. In this way, after this, car is See here, for the car the number of students is 6. So you are watching the second box is representing car. So from both the sides, see here, you will draw the rectangle like this. In front of 6, see here, the car, the box which is denoting the car, from both the sides you will draw the line with the help of pencil and scale. And the line will go up to the 6. Okay? At the 6 you will close it. Now see, this is a rectangle. This is called the column graph, children. Okay? Then bus, for bus there are 15 students. So again the fourth box is representing bus. So from both the sides you will draw the line till 14. Now till 15. Now see here. In your graph after 14 there is 16. 15 you have not mentioned. So you should know that between 14 and 16 there are small boxes, very much small. Those are 10. There are 10 small boxes. So 10 small boxes are representing 2 students. 10 small boxes are representing 2 students. It means 5 small boxes will represent 1 student. After 14, one more student you have to represent in the column of bus. So you have to find where will be the 15. So since after 14 there is 16, means 2 is the gap which you have taken. 1 centimeter is equal to 2 students. That means 0.5 is equal to 1 students. That is the method also by which you can calculate. Otherwise, you can see there are 10 boxes which are representing 2 students. It means 5 small box will represent 1 student. So that will come just in the middle of it. When you count the small boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that column will be represented by 15. So this graph you will bring till 15. When you draw these lines with the help of a scale, it will be totally a rectangle. Okay. Next one is a scooter. For a scooter there are 10 students. So again from both the sides of the scooter you will draw the line. Until where? Till 10. See here. In above this column you can write the frequency also. So that easily you can check what is the value of it. Understood? Now bicycle. Bicycle is there are 10 students using. Okay. So what is the method? In both the lines, see this box is representing, so 2 lines will go up till 18. See, here with the help of a scale you will draw the line. Okay, in front of 18, if you match it, see here it is 18 coming, so above it you can write 18. This is called your column graph, children. The last one is rickshaw, represented by 11 students here. So how will you represent it on the graph? Again this box is representing to rickshaw. So from both the sides you will draw the line. Again see 11 is not mentioned here. After 10 there is 12. So after 10 1 you have to mark. And how you will mark? There are 10 small boxes. And 10 small boxes is equal to 2 students. So 5 box will represent 1 student. That means middle of this will be the 11 coming. So in front of here, see. Okay. So this is called column graph. I have drawn it on the board, but you will draw it on the graph paper. Okay. For today only this much, children. On the next turn we will solve some more questions. Bye bye.